Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. Looks like BrahMos Aerospace is quite busy, coming up in news very frequently. This company is currently developing a couple of variants of BrahMos cruise missiles, which includes the BrahMos 2, the BrahMos next generation, and a new generation of BrahMos missile with 600 km plus range, which can hit the protected targets with pinpoint accuracy. On September 30, 2020, the BrahMos supersonic cruise missile has achieved yet another milestone with successful test launch, which showcased the enhanced operational capability and additional indigenous technologies. To be more precise, India successfully test-fired the BrahMos supersonic cruise missile with over 400 km range from a mobile launcher at the integrated test range in Odisha's Balasore district. The speciality of this particular missile is that this test validated the indigenous components incorporated to achieve higher strike range. According to a senior defense official, this test is one more major step in enhancing the indigenous content during the test, and the BrahMos land attack cruise missile was cruising at a top speed of Mach 2.8 and proved its capability once again. This is the second time that the extended range of BrahMos supersonic cruise missile has been test fired. This is indeed a great achievement for India to test fire such a BrahMos land attack cruise missile, which is fitted with the indigenous booster, airframe, and other components. The 9-meter long two-stage missile is capable of carrying a conventional warhead weighing up to 300 kilograms. The BrahMos missile has three versions: a land, ship, and air. India and Russia are also set to come up with a new BrahMos missile which could be capable of downing an aircraft with airborne warning and control system. And it is said that this is expected to be launched by 2024 tentatively. Defense Minister Rajnath Singh and DRDO Chairman G. Satish Reddy congratulated DRDO personnel, the team BrahMos, and the industry for this spectacular test fire which happened on September 30, 2020. This successful launch has paved the way for the serial production of indigenous booster and other indigenous components for the powerful BrahMos weapon system. The BrahMos supersonic cruise missile, as we all know, is one of the most powerful weapons which India is looking to export, and several countries like Vietnam, South Africa, Egypt, Oman, and Brunei have expressed interest in this particular missile. On 8 October 2019, Philippines also announced that they might be signing a contract during 2020, and we need to see if that gets signed by end of this year or not. So this was a quick update on India successfully test firing an extended range of BrahMos cruise missile of 450 kilometers range, which uses majority indigenous components. Thanks for watching. I'll upload another video with a new defense update or an aviation update later. Please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell button next to it, and also feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you.